Viewers, your subscriber, big up on yourself and New Link Production there, people. And viewers and sub. Yeah. John, the police, them done Chilani, them feel happy right now because viewers and sub, two of the escapees who escaped from the lockup yesterday are now back in custody. You understand? Yeah, man. And these two man people are crying out right now because they said they was scared because them go free, but them get scared because the first one who them catching up is 22 years old, right? And them say in a community in St. James he was, and the police they were doing a search in there and them just find him easily panakana easy, and I like them have to rush and run him down or in that chair run. You get what me I say? And this is Sackett, that one was Sackett. And the next man who is tall man, you understand, he's 39 years old. And them say tall man, he turning back himself with his lawyer, accompanied by his lawyer by his side. But two more is on the run. Because what is three of them, you know, what did they for the murder charge, you understand? But the other one have a minor charge. But those two are still on the run. But the two of the murder man, them back in custody, which is really great, which is really good. You understand? Because we know them know say you're out there on the run as a want, because them say several times escape and police hold them, you know. Them never get to go back in there. But they luckily turn back themselves in. So them life is living today. Because me can tell you when police catch those other two, may God help your soul, 6'6". Viewers and subscriber, this is New Link Production. Big up, enough love.